Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone can't update apps. Step 1. Check internet connection. App updates need strong internet. Connect to Wi-Fi or enable mobile data. Open Safari and load up web page to confirm your connection. Step 2. Restart the App Store app. Open the app switcher, tap up to close the App Store, then reopen it. This refreshes your update queue. Step 3. Pause and resume the update. On the home screen, tap the updating app once to pause, tap again to resume. This can fix stock updates. Step 4. Check Apple ID login. Open App Store, then tap on your profile picture. Make sure you are logged in with the correct Apple ID. If needed, sign out and sign in. Apps tied to another Apple ID won't update. Step 5. Turn off offload unused app. Sometimes iPhone removes apps automatically. Go to settings, then tap on App Store. Turn off offload unused apps. This prevents conflicts during updates. Step 6. Check storage space. Go to settings, then general, then tap on iPhone storage. If storage is nearly full, apps can't update. Delete unused apps, large videos or old files. Step 7. Allow app updates on mobile data. Go to settings, tap App Store under cellular data, turn app updates on. After trying those steps, your app should update normally again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.